Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Today, we're taking a quick look at Injective, INJ. This week, the market is showing a slightly bearish outlook, with INJ currently trading around the $4.4 to $4.5 range. Will buyers defend these levels, or could we see further downside? Let's jump into the charts and explore the possible scenarios. As always, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Let's get started.